welcome to my new video on Unopened Letter. I'm Karen and today I'd like to share how I decorated 2 pages in this travel book. By that I mean a Wanderbuch. This is a traveler's notebook insert that you pass on to different people, and every person is going to decorate 2 pages, and these are the pages that I decorated. The owner of this notebook is very into math and chemistry, so I decided to use this tape that you've seen in my last video maybe, and I also used sticky notes from that unboxing video. I put a link in the description box if you haven't seen that video. Maybe you're wondering what's happening, why are there 2 videos on this channel on the same topic, and all of a sudden there's a German video. I've never put up German videos before on this channel. Well, maybe you recognized my German accent. I'm from Germany, so to me it just feels more natural to talk in German. There are also a lot of people who are interested in traveler's notebooks and planning, so I decided to give it a try and put up bilingual videos. So 1 video in English and 1 video in German. I won't put up 2 videos on each topic. It depends on time and other reasons. So yeah, you'll see, and I hope that's okay for you. This is about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time, hopefully. Bye!
Let the sun shine on the broken